Hello, I'm Councillor Louise Emery and I'm the Cabinet Member for Adult Social Care, Leisure and Youth Provision for Conwy County Borough Council. First of all, I hope you're all coping staying at home. Those of us that are trying to work from home with children in the background, those of us that can't work and have that financial worry and that boredom, and those of us that are continuing to work. And it's these people I wanted to focus on, the key workers that work for our social services department. We have approximately 5,200 residents that are on our books that we provide support throughout the year all over the county. And amongst those, there is about 1,200 residents that require weekly support and weekly visits within their home. And these visits are done by in-house domiciliary care teams and also private providers. It is essential that this work continues. It is essential that this is business as usual. These residents do need our support. They need our support within normal times and even more so within this crisis period. So I want to thank all our staff who are continuing to go to work, continuing to go out into the community every day and go and see these residents to make sure they are well, they've had their medications, and giving them that reassurance, which I'm sure they need as much as all we need. But it's not just the social services staff that are really impressing me over these last few weeks. As you know, we have had to close community services, leisure centres, libraries, family centres, disability respite centres, youth clubs. But the community still needs this support through some of those services. So we have youth workers who are making over 40 calls a day to young people to reassure them and engaging with them on social media as much as they can. We have regular calls with families who have disabilities within that family. They don't have the respite centres to go to and they need that support. We also have our leisure staff who have been fantastic at asking to help out and to be retrained. So some of those staff that used to run gym classes and look after you when you were swimming in the pool have now been retrained and can now know how to organise recycle waste in case we need to use them to backfill in case we get sickness in that department. Everybody is really pulling their weight to make sure that vital community services as best as we can continue. And I wanted you to know that. We're doing our best, as I'm sure you all are. So stay well, obey the rules, and keep washing your hands.